Hey, so are we rolling? Okay, so now we're going to be talking about how to not be toxic. If you feel that you're toxic or you know somebody else is toxic, move away from them. Let's get into the intro. So the first step is on if you're not happy for other people on being toxic. So you probably wouldn't know that you're toxic if you're not happy for your friend, or say they get like a job or promotion, or they get like money or all that stuff like that, and they're like, yo, I got this new upcoming, and you're kind of like, oh man, glad for you, man. Hold on real quick, hold on, what? Oh, what's up, man? How you doing? Oh, what's going on? Yeah, what's going on? What hey, man, how's it going, bro? How's it going? Yo, well, look, me and my man just chilling. I know you my boo and everything. I just got a promotion, man, at my job. Oh. Listen, bro, I just got this new game system. So, if you try to play the game, we can do that, bro. Okay. But I'm trying to tell you, I got a promotion. Yeah. Well, probably not right now. I'm about to go handle some business. Wait, hold on a second. Dude, I got a promotion. That's what I'm trying to say. Also, you just got the promotion. Okay. Well, yeah, man, I'll holler at you later, man. I don't even want buy it. Now you good. You good. You back there, who's there back there? And like, it's you toxic. Look at yourself in the mirror and say that you're toxic, and stop it right now. That's one of the biggest reasons I feel like, because I dealt with that a lot. Even my boy Miles, that he dealt with that, and he had to, I'm telling him to cut a lot of people off, because there's some people in your life that, you know, they're not doing right. Their lifestyle is not right. So when their lifestyle is not right, it's gonna turn into your lifestyle. And that's number one. Okay, so number two is you have a problem sharing. So now it means like okay, not the basic sharing, obviously not the basic sharing, but like sharing with like other people, like you hate it, like even if you cool, that could be your best friend, and you like, nah bro, I'm like, even like that comes with money. That kind of comes with the first one. Money too is like, even when you have money and say that's your friend, like, and you have friends and they like, yo man, I can't eat right now, I don't really, and you like, man, I really don't got that much bread, like, bro, help them out, bro, because in the long run, don't expect nothing, but still be, that's your boy, like, bro. I know I picked the right people who helped me out even when I was in the struggle, you know what I'm saying? But now you're both rich, but you know what I'm saying, when I was in the struggle, you know what I'm saying? I still keep them in the back of my head who I know is cool, I'm cool with, will always be cool with, who always gave me something to eat if I didn't have any bread. And this was while I was in school. You know who you are if you're watching this video. I F with you. So, you know, that's number two. It's really nothing else to number two. It's like, it's simple. If you don't like sharing with, especially people who you mess with, you toxic. Okay, so number three, if you're trying to pick a fight with somebody, that is one of the main things, is if you trying to pick a fight, you start drama, all that. If you want to pick a fight first, or you want to talk to your friend about some drama, toxic, you're a demon. You like drama. You're not supposed to talk about drama with your boys. That's not supposed to be the first thing that comes out your mouth, is drama. It should be positive as soon as we get on the phone. And another thing, I would say, alright, let's go to 5 on this one, 4 or 5, whatever number, it don't matter. But if we go to say this, right? If you like to talk about other people's drama, you're toxic. That's a big thing. If you can't talk to me just talking to me, and you want to talk about the other toxic people, you're toxic. You gotta stop. You got a demon inside you. Spread that thing out. Bring all the angels in, bro. Bring them in, bro. Especially in 2020, because a lot of things is happening. So that is definitely a big one. If you can't accept the fact that you're not happy for somebody, you're toxic. That's what I was just explaining, and that's a big one. All these are big. Just keep in mind what you say before you say it to your boy. Everything is being within. Even you either gotta cut people off, or you just gotta cut people off. It was kind of, I ain't gonna lie, it was hard in the beginning, but it started to get easier. Like, I started cutting people left to right, because if I notice something, I'll try to help you. I'm not gonna just cut you off like that, but I'll try to help you. But if you don't see it, I'm cutting you off, because I had to deal with that all my life, cutting people off. And I ain't gonna lie, it's really easy to me. Like, I'm quiet as it is already, so I'll get real quiet on you. You start calling me, I won't pick up. You just know you toxic. And that don't mean like, oh, he's just calling me. I'm just being real. Like, I need that good energy, not that bad energy. You feel me? So that's what I'm talking about. That's either number 4 or 5, whatever it is, I don't know, but that's one of the main things too. Hey, so whatever number we on, but problem solving, that is big, that is huge. Now, I'm good on giving advice to people. That's what a lot of people say. I don't know if that's part of that sign, the Virgo sign. If you know me, I'm a Virgo. You Virgo, subscribe. If you other signs, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? We get along with a lot of people. Not a lot of people, but we know how to make it like, we know how to act like we cool with people. Like, I feel like that's a big thing. I don't know. I don't get into signs like that, but what I've seen has been true. So that's one of the big things too, is advice and all that. That's, advice is important, because if you can't give advice, I feel like you should. If you can't, that means, I ain't gonna say you toxic, but you just need to work on that. You know what I'm saying? Steps to get there, because that's one of the big things. As a friend support, I should be able to ask you for advice, no problem, easily. So that's one of the big things too. So yeah, I'm not really gonna talk too long. That'll probably be the end of the video. My battery's about to die, so make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and listen to those steps. And if you one of those people, just fix it. It don't mean like, oh, forget you toxic. Like, if I was cool with you, like, you could fix that. It may be, but I ain't gonna lie, my level's up here now. So if you even try to talk to me now, it's kind of, I'm on a different vibe. My music got better videos, you know what I'm saying? I'm snapping. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and we out of here. Shoot.